Welcome to Impro Elevator Interiors. We're a little bit obsessed, but in a totally good way. Like obsessed with your success, and our elevator interior experts give you the lift you need. We know that success depends on the right people and the right products. Because you don't just need the job done, you need it done right. See, we've been going to new heights to help thousands get the job done since 1979. This commitment inspired us to expand and introduce this essential division. It's when we realized the impact building interiors had on the people within them. The idea that creating an experience leaves an impression. That's why we custom manufacture your elevator interiors, including panels, ceilings, handrails, and lighting, in our state-of-the-art facility while exceeding industry standards and delivering exceptional durability, allowing you to create a sleek, modern experience tailored to your building's unique style. We've covered some of the finest projects around the world, from high-rise hotels to top universities and more. While crafting award-winning elevator interior solutions that ensure a safe and aesthetically pleasing experience is essential, allowing you to fully customize your elevator cab to reflect your brand's identity or showcase stunning imagery of your choice, well, that's the real end game. And we wouldn't have it any other way. Because how you feel inside and how the people within your buildings feel inside, that's what matters. Experience the difference. Make a difference inside. Welcome to Impro Elevator Interiors.